Hi guys, I'll show you guys how to use Twitter Spaces. So Twitter has finally opened up the space feature so anyone can create their own space. So let's get started. To host a Twitter space on your own, open your Twitter app and hold down the create tweet button, and then tap the space icon. Now type in a name for your space and then select a topic. Example, fun. So when you're ready, tap start now. So once your space is live, you can invite listeners to join in on the conversation by tapping the people icon here and tap the share icon to share your space with the link, direct message, or post a tweet about it. Your space will remain live until you end it. So spaces are public and anyone can join as listeners, but there are few controls you can use as a host. All you have to do is tap on the mic icon to mute or unmute yourself, and tap the people icon to manage your guests and speakers and to invite a co-host. And to access the emoji, click on the heart icon. And to access the additional settings, including captions, tap the three dots at the top. So if you're ready to end your space, just click on the end icon. So that's basically it. And if you want to listen to someone else's space, click on the space icon in the bottom menu right here. You can browse popular spaces that are currently live. Just tap the space you want to join and start listening. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.